Alright, Neil brought in his Samsung A70 that's not charging. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy fixed. Okay, now we've got it open and we've sorted out all the charging issues. Let's get it all back together now. Okay, now we know we're charging not only because it says it's charging, but more importantly because of our diagnostic tool, and it tells us that it's taking 1.5 amps at 8 volts. So that means this is fast charging circuit working. Okay, so let's go ahead now and get this backplate back on. As you can see, we've saved all the original adhesive in perfect shape so that we can put this back on. Now, very important to our procedure is to hit it with the UV. Now we'll go ahead and get this on. And then I'll show you guys the one last important part. So the last step in our quality procedure is to put it into this press. Okay, this way we can ensure that this backplate will be secured in the same way that it got sent out when it was new.